Hello and welcome back to your own channel Indian Defense Analysis, where we bring to you all the latest development happening in the defense sector. In a big move towards Make in India, the Defense Acquisition Council approved the proposal worth 7,695 crores for Indian Armed Forces modernization. As per the press release by Defense Ministry, the Defense Acquisition Council, in chairmanship of Defense Minister Rajnath Singh, allowed acceptance of necessity for capital acquisition proposals for modernization and operational needs of the armed forces. As per the report, all of these proposals are 100% Make in India with a focus on design, manufacturing and development in India. The key approvals of procurement from domestic sources includes 12 light utility helicopters from HAL, Linux U2 fire control system from Bharat Electronics Limited BL, which will enhance the detection, tracking and engagement capability of naval warships. BHL to supply upgraded rapid gun mount SRGM for Indian Navy, and mid-life upgradation of Dornier aircraft from HAL to increase naval capacity of maritime reconnaissance and coastal surveillance. In this video, we are going to discuss about each update one by one, so let's get started. Talking about the light utility helicopter, 12 light utility helicopters are to be ordered in a first lot. The expected requirement of LUH within the service is estimated to be 185. The LUH will gradually replace Chetak and Cheetah helicopters that operates at impossible heights on borders, including Siachen Glacier. In our opinion, government should have given a big order of LUH in order to bring down the production cost of LUH, and there is a huge flow of cash in the market. LUH is a multi-role helicopter with a range of 350 km and service ceiling of 6.5 km. It is designed to carry out various utility roles such as reconnaissance, transport, cargo load and rescue operations. It has seating capacity of 6 passengers plus 2 pilots. The helicopter has proven capabilities at high altitude of Himalayas. Now talking about Linux U2 fire control system from Bharat Electronics Limited, Linux U2 provides air defense capability with long, medium and short range gun mounts. The target can be engaged using gun mounts on board ships. The system locates a hostile target by means of radar, acting on search information and to track its approach with high accuracy. The system comprises a fire control tracker and weapon channels. The fire control system tracks the approaching target and accordingly control the weapon by maneuvering it to exact firing positions. The target is tracked until it is destroyed. The weapon control system will be installed on naval offshore patrol vessels, frontline warships INS Talwar and INS Teg. Talking about BHEL SRGM, BHEL has indigenized these guns and has established dedicated complex manufacturing and inspection facility at its heavy electrical equipment plant Haridwar for production, installation and commissioning and life cycle supports of these guns. Talking about SRGM, it is 76 by 62 mm, lightweight and rapid fire naval gun. It has high performance and flexibility in any air defense and anti-surface roles, particularly in anti-air role. It has a firing rate from single shot to firing 120 rounds per minute. A standard deviation at firing is less than 0.3 milliradian, thus providing excellent accuracy. The gun is capable of sustained fire, which is fundamental requirement of any scenario involving simultaneous engagement of multiple maneuvering targets in case of asymmetric warfare. Talking about the midlife upgrade of Dornier, on 2018, HAL has signed a MOU with Indian Coast Guard for midlife upgradation program of 17 CJ Dornier 228 aircraft that will be manufactured by HAL Kanpur. The midlife upgrade includes fitment of 20 state-of-art system, sensors via glass cockpit, mission management system, pollution surveillance system, 12.7 mm AV gun, 5 blades propeller, etc. on board Dornier aircraft. Dornier 228 is a twin-engine turboprop, highly versatile multi-mission maritime patrol aircraft manufactured by HAL for Indian Coast Guard. The aircraft is lightweight with a wide range of operating speeds and fuel efficiency uniqueness. Dornier 228 has quick role changing capability for any of the following roles: maritime patrol and surveillance, marine pollution contingency, search and rescue, medical evacuation. Midlife upgrade of Dornier aircraft from HAL will increase naval capacity of maritime reconnaissance and coastal surveillance. This was today's update. Please let us know what is your view about these in comment section. Feel free to post your comments and suggestions on any topic related to defense sector on which you want to hear from us. With this, I would like to say goodbye and Jai Hind friends. Please like and subscribe our channel if you have not done already. We will soon back with more interesting and amazing development happening in the defense sector.